creative writing programs here at NorthTec.
There are 3 levels and 3 different diplomas. You can do each one individually and you will come out with a diploma. The first level is level 5, which is the equivalent of the first year at university, and it covers 8 different papers that cover the nuts and bolts of writing and various kinds of writing and genres. Then in level 6 you go and do that in more detail and cover another 8 or 9 papers. One of them you get to choose which one you want. So there's poetry, screenwriting, short fiction, long fiction, non-fiction, as well as all the aspects, particularly in level 6, of publishing, online publishing, business of writing, and making sure you know how to make a living and out of your writing.
Level 7 is the advanced diploma, where you create a major piece of work you do over the period of a year.
The level 7, you spend some time with a mentor, so the first 6 months you're working with Justine and me, or maybe other tutors if that changes, and you're writing your book or your screenplay or whatever. It will be a large piece of work. It will be 50 to 100,000 words, and then you'll recraft it. And then after that you're working with a mentor who will be a writer in your field. So if you are writing poetry, you will get someone like Vivian Plum. If you are writing fiction, you'll get a fiction writer.
Then at the end of that period of time, your major piece is then assessed.
So the program is fully online. We've had students all around New Zealand.
You'll be studying with people from all walks of life. There are ways of studying either full-time or there are part-time options as well. There are also the option to do certificate of proficiency if you just want to complete the odd paper here and there.
Anyone who's passionate about writing will love this course. You are mostly writing. Some of the assessments are based on theory, but it's all theory that is there to support your creative writing. And it's called applied writing because we are applying those skills to writing. We're not talking about other writers and how they write. We're talking about your writing and how you write.
If you're passionate about writing, this is the right place to be.